Hi everyone, my name is Amanda. I'm the owner of Leeloo, and today I'm going to show you guys how to thread your ring sling. This here is Wild from our launch collection, and I'm using a standard length for us. So to begin, you're going to need to decide which side of your body you want to put the rings. For me personally, I tend to carry my babies on my right side, so I'm going to drape the fabric and put the rings up on my opposite shoulder, which is the left here. So you're going to start by opening it up on your shoulder, making sure the rings are up high. Then you're going to go ahead and find both of the rails of the sling, or essentially where the seam is, and pull it across your back, making sure that there's no twists or ties, bringing it under your arm, and then coming and bringing the tail of the fabric to the rings. Now for this part, you're going to take it and put it through both of the rings, pulling it in, making sure that it's not getting twisted once again. Then you're going to take the tail again, and you're going to spread the rings open and put it over the top ring and through under the bottom ring, like this. And once it's through the rings, you're going to go ahead and puff the section up in between the two rings, and you're going to do something called finger walking the fabric. So essentially you're just going to put both of your thumbs underneath the fabric and just walk your fingers across. This is to help make sure that there's not going to be any twists or turns in the fabric, so once you're adjusting it, it's going to be a little bit easier for you. This is such an important step. Next, you're going to find the bottom rail here and make sure that it's not twisted in the rings and that it's lined up here. And find the top rail and flip it over and make sure that this also is laying on top of each other nice and flat. And then you're going to pull the rings across the fabric down so it's laying nice in the rings here. And now it's time to adjust. I find that it's easier once baby is in the sling if you get the majority of your adjustments done now. So what you're gonna do is bring your elbow in and adjust around your arm. The point of your elbow is about where you want baby's bum to be. So you're gonna make the hammock seat around your arm by adjusting this bottom rail and bringing it up so it makes a nice crescent kind of shape for it. If you do here, see how it brings it up? And then you can loosen the seat a little bit, tighten the top. And see, now you've got your adjusting done and you are all set up, ready for baby.